Hey there, amazing ladies. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your incredible bodies and torch those stubborn fat cells? Let's embark on this exciting journey together, where I'll be your friendly guide to understanding how to make your body a powerful, fat-burning machine. We'll ditch the confusing jargon and dive straight into practical, fun, and, dare I say, magical tips that will leave you feeling empowered and ready to conquer your health goals. No more fad diets or impossible workout routines. Just simple, effective strategies tailored for you. Get ready to feel the burn, boost your energy, and watch those inches melt away, all while having a blast. So, are you with me? Let's turn up the heat and ignite your inner fat-burning superhero. First things first, let's talk about how incredible our bodies truly are. Did you know that your body is like a magical furnace, capable of transforming stored fat into pure energy? It's like having a superpower hidden within. This magical process is called fat burning, and it happens when we give our bodies the right fuel and the right spark. It's all about finding that perfect balance between the food we eat, the way we move our bodies, and how we care for our overall well-being. And guess what? You have the power to control this furnace. By understanding a few simple principles and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can crank up the heat and watch those fat cells disappear. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. I'm here to break it all down for you in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to implement. Get ready to become a fat-burning expert. Let's get down to business and talk about this word you've probably heard before: metabolism. Don't let it intimidate you. Think of it as your super efficient personal trainer working behind the scenes 24/7. Your metabolism is like the engine of your body, constantly burning calories to keep you going, even when you're just relaxing and watching your favorite movie. It's responsible for converting the food you eat into the energy you need to power through your day. Now, some lucky ducks are born with metabolisms that run a little faster, like a cheetah sprinting across the savannah. Others might have a metabolism that's more like a gentle stroll in the park. But here's the exciting part. No matter your metabolism's starting point, we can give it a little boost and help it burn even brighter. Think of it like turning up the thermostat in your body to melt away those extra calories. Remember that magical fat-burning furnace we talked about? Well, it needs fuel to keep burning strong, just like a fire needs logs to keep roaring. The food we eat provides that fuel, and we measure it in calories. When we consume more calories than our bodies need for energy, they get stored away as fat. It's like tucking away extra logs for a future fire. But when we use more calories than we take in, our bodies tap into those stored reserves and, you guessed it, start burning fat. So, how do we create this calorie deficit and unleash our inner fat-burning machines? It's all about finding the perfect balance between eating nutritious foods that nourish our bodies and incorporating exercises that get our hearts pumping and muscles working. Don't worry, it's not about starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. We'll explore these strategies in detail and find what works best for you. Here's a secret weapon most people don't realize. Having fun can actually boost your metabolism. That's right. When you enjoy your workouts and find activities you genuinely love, your body responds with more energy and enthusiasm. Think of it this way. Would you rather trudge through a boring workout that leaves you feeling drained, or dance your heart out to your favorite music and finish feeling energized and exhilarated? The answer is clear. So, ditch the I should mentality and embrace the I want to mindset. Find activities that make you feel alive, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, biking, or even just taking a brisk walk with a friend. When you enjoy what you're doing, exercise becomes less of a chore and more of a celebration of your body's incredible capabilities. Remember, a happy body is a healthy body, and a healthy body is a fat-burning machine. All right, my fellow fat-burning queens, let's talk about food. We're not talking about deprivation or boring diet fads here. It's all about choosing foods that not only nourish your body, but also crank up your metabolism and send those fat cells packing. Think of your meals as delicious opportunities to fuel your internal fire. Just like a roaring bonfire needs the right kind of wood to burn bright, our bodies thrive on whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and keep us feeling our best. So, what are these magical fat-burning foods? Picture a rainbow on your plate. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables bursting with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrient powerhouses not only keep you feeling full and satisfied, but also provide the building blocks for a healthy, happy body. Now, let's talk about protein, the queen of fat burning. Protein is like the building block of your body, helping to build and repair tissues, keep you feeling full and energized, and, you guessed it, boost your metabolism. When you eat protein, your body has to work a little harder to digest it, which means it burns more calories in the process. It's like giving your metabolism a high five. Think of protein as your secret weapon in the fight against fat. Incorporate lean protein sources into every meal, such as chicken, fish, tofu, beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, and eggs. These protein powerhouses will keep you feeling satisfied, support muscle growth, and help your body torch those extra calories. Healthy fats. Yes, you read that right. Wait, healthy fats? You bet. Don't let the word fat scare you away. Just like we need protein for strong muscles and energy, our bodies need healthy fats to function at their best. Think of them as the lubricants that keep everything running smoothly. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, not only support heart health and brain function, but also help us feel more satisfied after meals, preventing those pesky cravings that can sabotage our progress. So, embrace the good fats and ditch the bad. Swap out processed snacks and fried foods for heart-healthy options like a handful of almonds, a tablespoon of chia seeds in your yogurt, or a drizzle of olive oil on your salad. Remember, balance is key. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet, along with lean proteins, fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, and whole grains, will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and burn fat efficiently. Move your body, melt that fat. All right, ladies, it's time to get moving and unleash our inner dancing queens. Exercise is like the magic wand that transforms our bodies from the inside out, melting away fat, boosting our metabolism, and leaving us feeling energized and empowered. But here's the best part. It doesn't have to feel like a chore. Ditch the boring gym routines and embrace movement that brings you joy. Whether it's dancing in your living room, going for a hike with friends, or trying a fun workout class, the key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy. Remember, our bodies are designed to move. When we engage in regular physical activity, we're not only burning calories, but also strengthening our muscles, improving our cardiovascular health, and boosting our mood. It's a win-win all around. Crank up the cardio, your fat-burning best friend. Let's talk about cardio, the heart-pumping, sweat-inducing, fat-blasting hero of our fitness journey. Cardiovascular exercise like running, swimming, biking, or dancing gets your heart rate up and helps your body become a calorie-torching machine. Think of cardio as the key that unlocks your fat-burning potential. When you engage in cardio, your body taps into those stored fat reserves and uses them as fuel, helping you shed those extra pounds and reveal a leaner, fitter you. But here's the secret. You don't have to run a marathon or become an Olympic swimmer to reap the benefits of cardio. Even moderate intensity activities, like brisk walking, dancing, or gardening, can make a significant difference in your fat-burning journey. Now, let's talk about strength training, the secret weapon for sculpting a strong, toned physique and giving your metabolism a long-lasting boost. Don't worry, we're not aiming to become bodybuilders here. Unless that's your jam, then go for it. Strength training involves using resistance, like weights, resistance bands, or even your own body weight, to challenge your muscles and help them grow stronger. And guess what? Muscle is more metabolically active than fat, which means it burns more calories even at rest. Think of strength training as the architect of your dream body, helping you build lean muscle mass, boost your metabolism, and create a more toned and sculpted physique. Plus, it's empowering to feel your body getting stronger and more capable. Incorporate strength training exercises that target different muscle groups, like squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows, into your routine a few times a week. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. All right, ladies, we've talked about fueling our bodies with delicious food and getting our hearts pumping with exercise. But here's a secret weapon in the battle against fat that often gets overlooked: sleep. Think of sleep as the ultimate beauty treatment, the time when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, both physically and mentally. When you get enough sleep, your body produces hormones that regulate appetite, boost metabolism, and promote fat burning. When you're sleep deprived, your body goes into survival mode, holding on to fat stores and craving sugary, high-calorie foods for quick energy. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your body the rest it needs to function optimally and torch those extra calories. Stress less, shine more. Managing stress for optimal fat burning. Let's face it, ladies, life can be a whirlwind of to-dos, deadlines, and responsibilities. But here's the thing. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our hormones, leading to increased fat storage, especially around the midsection. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which sends signals to our bodies to store fat, particularly in the abdominal area. It's like our bodies are preparing for a famine, even when we have plenty of food available. But here's the good news. We can combat stress and reclaim our inner peace. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, or simply taking a few moments to unwind and do something you enjoy. Hydrate your way to happiness and a faster metabolism. Water, my friends, is the elixir of life. It's essential for every function in our bodies, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients to, you guessed it, boosting our metabolism and helping us burn fat. Think of water as the internal shower that cleanses our systems, flushing out toxins and keeping everything running smoothly. When we're dehydrated, our metabolism slows down and our bodies hold on to water weight, making us feel sluggish and bloated. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water each day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water per day. You've got this! There you have it, my fellow fat-burning goddesses. We've uncovered the secrets to transforming your bodies into lean, mean, fat-burning machines. Remember, it's not about deprivation or quick fixes, but about making sustainable changes that nourish your body and ignite your inner fire. We've talked about the power of protein, the magic of healthy fats, the importance of getting those zizzes, and so much more. It might seem like a lot to remember, but here's the secret. Start small and celebrate every victory. Each healthy choice you make, whether it's opting for a colorful salad instead of greasy fries or squeezing in a quick dance break during your lunch hour, brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, consistency is key, and every little bit counts. Unleash your inner fat-burning superhero. Now that you understand how your body is a fat-burning machine, it's time to take action. Unleash your inner fat-burning superhero and make the most of your body's incredible potential. But don't stop here. If you're serious about transforming your health and burning fat faster, I highly recommend joining our free Shehealth 21-day challenge. You'll get access to an easy-to-follow program designed to help you burn fat, boost metabolism, and feel unstoppable. Click the link in the description to sign up. Don't miss our next video. Health and fitness for women. Essential tips for beginners to start strong. In this video, we dive into the fundamental fitness strategies that every woman should know to kick off her fitness journey. Trust me, You won't want to start your fitness transformation without it. Missing it could mean taking longer to see results, and who wants that? Tap the link to watch it now, and I'll see you there.